After completing this lesson, you'll be able to import, calibrate and edit 2 profile reference sketches of the socket design. So what I want to do now is create the inner socket. To help me, I'm going to attach some sketches to the canvas which I can use for reference. To import the sketches in Fusion, go to the toolbar, click Insert, then select Attached Canvas. Now using the View cube, rotate to the front view and select the front plane to work on. In the dialog, click to select the image, and from the dataset, locate and open frontprofile.jpg. Then click OK to close the dialog window. First of all, we need to calibrate the sketch that we've brought in. To do that, we need to go to the browser and toggle off the visibility for the SOC layer that we created previously. Then right-click on our front profile canvas and select Calibrate. Now we need to zoom in. So click to select Zoom window and draw a selection window to get closer to our sketch. You'll note that my sketch includes a line of measure 400 mm between 2 points. I can use this line of measure to calibrate the canvas for Fusion. I click to select the first point at the top and then click again to select the point at the bottom, then enter the measurement 400 mm, then press return on the keyboard. And if we zoom out, or if we click zoom to fit, and if we go to the browser and turn on the visibility of the previous body that we created, we can see that our sketch is now the correct dimensions to work with in Fusion. Now if we right click on our canvas in the browser and select Edit Canvas, we can move our sketch into the same position as the previous Fusion body that we created. Now our sketch is larger because our sketch is actually the profile of the outer socket, and our current Fusion body represents the inner liner for the inner socket. Now that the sketch is in the right position, we can go to the dialog window and turn the opacity down to about halfway. And when we've done that, we can click OK to close the window. Now we're going to attach another canvas for the side profile. So go to Insert, then select Attached Canvas. This time we're going to select our right plane to work on. Click to select the image. This time from the dataset, select Inside Profile.jpg. Then click OK to close the dialog window. We need to toggle off the visibility of the body and the right profile canvas. Use the View cube to get a right-hand side view and then click Zoom to fit. In the browser, right-click on the new canvas and then select Calibrate. Click the upper and the lower point, enter 400 mm, then press return on the keyboard. Click Zoom to fit. Then in the browser, turn on the visibility for our body and right-click on our canvas and select Edit Canvas. And as we did with our previous canvas, move this canvas up so its position is closely aligned with our inner socket liner. I need to zoom in a little bit closer so that Fusion will snap it to position correctly. In the dialog box, again, I'll reduce the opacity to about 50%. I'm also going to check Display Through, which means that I can see through the sketch onto the Fusion body. Then I can click OK to close the window. If I turn on the visibility of both canvases and orbit around, I can use my profile sketches for reference during the entire socket build process.